Every time you forget where you put your keys, struggle to find a word mid-sentence, or lose track of what you were doing, it's not just normal aging. It could be something you're doing every day, shrinking your brain without even realizing it. Today, I'll show you 3 daily habits that research shows shrink the brain after 50 and exactly how to reverse the damage starting today. Let's get straight to the first one, and it might surprise you. Brain habit number 1, sitting too much. According to research published in the journal PLOS One, adults who were sedentary for long hours show noticeable thinning of the medial temporal lobe. That's the part of the brain responsible for memory. And it's not just lack of exercise. Even if you work out in the morning, sitting 6+ hours a day still puts your brain at risk. How to fix it? Simple. Every 30 to 45 minutes, stand up and move for just 2 minutes. Walk around, do calf raises, swing your arms. These tiny resets keep blood and oxygen flowing to the brain and signal your nervous system that you're still alive and active. Add 10 to 15 minutes of brisk walking in the evening, and you've already done more for your brain than most medications ever could. Brain habit number 2, sugar in the morning. I know a lot of people love their cereal, toast, jam, even fruit juice first thing in the morning. But too much sugar early in the day creates an insulin spike that robs your brain of stable energy. A study from UCLA found that high sugar intake not only leads to insulin resistance, but it directly impairs memory and cognitive flexibility. Here's the fix. Start your day with a combo of healthy fats plus protein. Try eggs with avocado or Greek yogurt with walnuts. Even a small handful of almonds and a boiled egg works wondrous. This fuels your brain with long-lasting energy and helps prevent the mid-morning fog that sneaks in after a sugar crash. Brain habit number 3, poor sleep patterns. And this one hits hard because many of us don't even realize how badly we're sleeping. Studies from the University of California show that chronic sleep deprivation leads to brain shrinkage in the hippocampus. That's your memory center. Even sleeping 5 hours a night regularly is enough to trigger long-term decline. How to reverse it? Focus on sleep quality, not just hours. Here are 3 quick wins. No screens 60 minutes before bed, chamomile tea or tart cherry juice, and keep your room as dark and cool as possible. And if you wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. regularly, that's often blood sugar instability. A tablespoon of nut butter before bed can help. Now let's recap, because repetition locks memory. 1. Sitting shrinks your memory center. Fix it by moving every 30 to 45 minutes. 2. Morning sugar fogs the brain. Fix it with healthy fats plus protein. 3. Poor sleep weakens memory. Fix it by improving your sleep routine. These are simple daily tweaks, but together, they can literally help you preserve your brain and reverse years of silent damage. Comment FIT if you're doing any of these already or if you're ready to change one today. And if you want a full food plus exercise combo plan to protect your brain after 50, tap the video on screen right now. Your brain deserves it.